Good morning. Happy Monday, students. And may I say, may the 4th be with you. Today, you are going to be doing some listening activities. So we are going to start out with a screencast by Mrs. Schumann, and she is going to walk you through how to listen for comprehension and listen for content so that you understand what you should be or what you listen to so you can answer comprehension questions. So that is obviously in Otis. It's going to be the first link, and that will take you to this screencast. And you need to listen to that and jot down notes if you need to. Once you've watched that, you need to mark that as complete by clicking and saying mark completed. The next step is to listen to a ListenWise podcast. And this podcast is entitled Field Trips to Study Mexican American History. And you are going to be, since it is coming up on Cinco de Mayo, we thought it would be kind of a really interesting listen. So when you click on the link, again, it will take you here. And you need to listen to the story. And again, you want to take notes. You might want to make it play slower so you can kind of adjust the speed if it's going too quickly for you. And it's about 4 minutes long, so this should go pretty quick. You might need to listen to it more than once. Once that is done, mark that as completed. And then your last assignment is to go to an assessment in Otis that is entitled ListenWise ListenWise Podcast Field Trips to Study Mexican American History. So you're going to look for that in your assessments folder in Otis, and you're going to answer these questions. Now, if you need to help supplement what you heard and read the podcast, this is the transcript. So this is typed out what you listened to on here. So that is just another resource for you. And you are allowed to read that if you need to look back at it to help you answer the questions. All right, so that is your lesson for today. Make sure you are marking things as complete when you are done. And happy listening and have a great day.